Today, most electrical BIM models are created to satisfy design coordination and construction needs. They look complete: panels, circuits, loads, even breaker numbering. But once the building is handed over, facility management teams rarely use these models for daily operations. The reason is simple. BIM does not maintain buildings. Facility management maintains assets inside spaces. In this series, we are not trying to model everything. We are deliberately modeling only what facility management actually operates, monitors, and reports. This episode focuses on low-side electrical systems, modeled from an FM point of view, not a construction one. We stop at the panel level. We capture assets, their power, and where they belong. And we ensure that the data exported to Excel is not recreated, but mirrored directly from the BIM model. I'm BIMThinker, and let's explore. Project context. In this episode, I'm using a mid-size hotel project as an example. It's a 3-story building with around 30 guest rooms, along with supporting facilities like a banquet hall, restaurant, spa, and salon. The model is structured from the design stage itself with facility management in mind, not as an afterthought. FM scope definition. Before modeling anything, we clearly define scope. This series focuses on operational facility management, not hidden services maintenance. Concealed infrastructure, such as conduits inside walls or slabs, is typically referenced during renovations, not during day-to-day operations. So for FM, we model assets inside spaces, connected to panels, with operational data. This single decision avoids overloading FM teams with information they don't need. Power logic, FM versus design. This is a critical distinction. Revit performs electrical calculations using apparent load, which is required for circuiting, protection, and panel design. Facility management works very differently. For FM, we deliberately store connected load in kilowatts because that is how assets are operated, monitored, audited, and reported. Both datasets originate from the same model elements, but they serve different purposes. We are not forcing FM to misuse design data, and we are not breaking design workflows either. The model supports both without conflict. Sockets, loads, and assets. In this model, power belongs to equipment, not to sockets. Sockets are connection points, not loads. Assigning artificial power to sockets creates double counting and breaks FM trust in the data. Instead, equipment carries operational power. Lighting carries connected load. Sockets carry association and identity. This allows panel loads to be aggregated correctly, while keeping the asset register clean. Panels, FM view. For facility management, we model electrical systems only up to panel level. Panels exist. Panel capacities exist. Load strategies exist. But detailed circuiting does not. Why? Because panels and circuits can be designed, modified, or rebalanced later, without changing asset-level FM data. Panel ratings here represent available capacity, not final electrical design. This keeps the model flexible and future-proof. Control logic and lighting groups. In facility management, switches don't control individual lights. They control operational lighting groups. Native BIM control tools are excellent for design. But FM requires explicit, exportable control logic. This is where Dynamo bridges the gap. Control patterns may repeat across rooms, but control identities must always be room-specific. That distinction is critical for maintenance, fault reporting, and upgrades. Excel as operational interface. Finally, let's talk about Excel. Excel here is not derived separately. It is a mirror of the BIM schedules. The actual data lives with the elements in the model. Schedules are just views of that data. Excel is another view, exported, not recreated. This ensures one source of truth. No duplication. No reconciliation effort. Room-wise electrical loads are derived directly from the assets installed in that room. Aggregated live from the model and mirrored into Excel. At the low-side FM level, we capture what the asset is, where it belongs and how it operates. Circuiting, protection, and detailing can come later, without rework. This is how BIM starts serving facility management. Not at handover, but from the design stage itself.
If you like the video, please like, subscribe the video and channel. This will encourage me more. Your comments will help in refining the content and defining the intent.